f of x is an exponential function in the form f of x equals a times b to the x plus c. Select values of f of x are shown in the table below. A is 400. Okay. So A is 400, so let's write that out. F of x equals A times B to the x. A is 400, so let me quick change that. I wasn't thinking. 400 B to the x plus C, which is, I don't know. What I do know is if I plug in 0, that's going to make this part go away and become 1. So what I can do is I need to find C. I need to find whatever C makes this work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let x equal 0. And I know when I plug in 0, I get 373. So 373 is going to equal 400 times b to the 0th power, which is 1. If I subtract 400, that gives me C is negative 27. So that gives me an equation of y equals, or f of x equals 400 b to the x, which is what I need to find, minus 27. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all of these b values, plug it into my calculator, and test out 400 times 1.25 to the x minus 27 and see if that guy matches up. And if it doesn't, then I'll plug u in for b and try it out. Then I'll plug u in and try it out. Then I'll plug u in and try it out. So let's try a and see what happens. So let's test out a to make sure that a works. The equation that I'm going to use for a is going to be that 400 that I was originally given. A gave me 1.25 as my b, so parentheses 1.25, close it, to the x, and make sure you move to the right and not put it in your parentheses or exponent area. Subtract out 27. Now, in order for this to work, I really want to look at my table of values for 0, 1, 2, and 3. So let's go to second graph, and 0 matches up, and so does 1, and so does 2, and so does 3. Look at that. The answer is A. It worked. Hooray! A is my answer. Oh, how nice.